Good morning, everyone. I am Akshat this side, and I am going to present on term paper my on the topic future of 5G wireless systems. Here is the index. First, the introduction. Second, evolution of 5G wireless systems. Third, role of artificial intelligence in 5G systems. Fourth, future in 5G wireless systems. Introduction. Wireless system of technology has begun in the early 1970s. Over the next 40 years, mobile technology has grown from first generation to fifth generation technology, which provides the highest quality product which we have never come across before. The fifth generation technology offers many new and complex features, making it the most effective and popular answer in future. It offers a variety of network services such as Wi-Fi, which is known as wireless IEEE 802.11 network. The fifth generation internet network is completely wireless in its wireless capacity, which will create a complete wireless world of global wireless network. The fifth generation is based on the 4G wireless internet technology. For the network that should be supported by the installation of multiple access codes, orthogonal frequency multiplexing, multi-access code, and point-of-point services. The fifth generation of wireless network information and communication technology will open a whole new dimensions to transforming people's life. Second, evolution of 5G wireless system. Wireless system has become popular in recent years due to the rapid evolution in cell phone technology. This shift is because of the very excessive increase in telecom plans, starting from the first generation to second, next the third generation, continuing to fourth generation, and latest to fifth generation. First generation. The first generation network was developed in Japan by Nippon Telephone and Telegraph Company (NTT) in Tokyo during 1979. Its main features are: it has frequency ranging between 800 MHz to 900 MHz. Its mode of service is voice only, and modulation is FM, which is frequency radio. Second generation system, 2G. Second generation of system introduced a new digital technology for wireless transmission, also known as Global System for Mobile Communication. This standard could support up to 14.4 to 64 kbps maximum data rate, which is sufficient for SMS and email services. Digital systems. SMS service is possible. Roaming is possible. Enhanced security, encrypted voice transmission. These are some of its features. Third generation system, which is 3G. It started with the introduction of UMTS, Universal Mobile Terrestrial Telecommunication System. UMTS has the data rate of 384 kbps. In order to enhance data rate in existing 3G network, another two technology improvements are introduced to network. First is HSDPA and the second is HSUPA and developed and deployed to the 3G network and 3.5G network, which can support up to 2 Mbps data rate. It is the next one is fourth generation systems. 4G system are enhanced version of 3G networks. 3G network developed by IEEE offers higher data rate and capable to handle more advanced multimedia services. LTE and LTE advanced wireless technology used in fourth generation system. Simultaneous transmission of voice and data is possible with the LTE system, which significantly improved data rate. Much higher data rate up to 1 Gbps, enhanced security and mobility, reduced latency for mission critical application. Disadvantages: expensive hardware and infrastructure, costly spectrum. Most countries, frequency bands are too expensive. High-end mobile device compatible with the 4G technology required, which is costly. While development and upgrade is time consuming. The next is fifth generation. 5G network is using advanced technology to deliver ultra-fast internet and multimedia experience for customers. Existing LTE advanced network will transform into supercharged 5G network in future. Key features of 5G technology: ultra-fast mobile internet up to 10 Gbps speed, low latency in millisecond, total cost reduction for data, higher security and reliable network, uses technology like small cells beam forming to improve efficiency, forward compatibility network offers further more enhancement in future. Cloud-based infrastructure offers power efficiency, easy maintenance, and upgrade to hardware. Role of artificial intelligence in 5G systems. If the 5G delay is low, an IoT device on the edge of the network can do a lot of data beforehand sending it to the cloud. For example, AI communicates with the cloud and uses a smartphone calculator capabilities to display images instead of delaying user communication. Consumer and business don't always want it to send information to the cloud. Fi- To the cloud, 5G will be a key factor in development of network capabilities and mitigation of cloud dependence. Computer technology can also mean a better understanding of the situation where the device is effective in the end. This makes artificial intelligence an integral part of everyday applications. AI is exercising with computer work previously only in human field. But if you make a good AI, you need it understand certain situations or details. Image showing AI ingredients, which is fueling tomorrow tech innovations. Now future in 5G wireless systems. In order to cut the cost of 5G operators, 5G uses a small transmitter because they consume less energy and power. Improved healthcare. The availability of the ultra reliable low latency communication, which is a component of 5G, has a potential to fundamentally revolutionize healthcare for individuals to national wide. Improved bandwidth, broadband. The dramatic transition to 5G will, without a doubt, change the way you interact with technology on a regular basis. Once the 5G is fully operational, there will be no need for any kind of cable wire to deliver communication services. With the 5G systems, with 5G system may have the fast internet speeds to obtain the work with the fast accuracy. Thank you.